Okay, today I wanted to talk about the importance of doing some type of exercise every day. Because when it comes to the matter of achieving optimal health, it's more than just, what we're consuming. I firmly believe that plays the biggest factor, though, for our health. What we're taking into our bodies. What kind of fuel are we using? But as I mentioned, that there's more to health. Exercise, good rest, good sleep, recovery, good relationships, sunshine. You need sunshine on your bare skin. I'm a tennis pro, and I do not wear sunscreen. People think I'm crazy. I think the sunscreen is worse for you than letting the sun hit your skin. The sun is a natural disinfectant. We need sunlight on our skin, vitamin D, and it cleans our skin. Now, of course, you're not going to go in the sun for 3 or 4 hours if you're not accustomed to it. If you don't have any darkness to your skin, it's going to be tough. So you use common sense. You don't go out there and get burned. Once you feel you've had enough, it might only be 5 or 10 minutes. But even people like, let's say, from an Irish nationality that are very light-skinned, okay, you can get accustomed to it. The more you expose yourself, your skin tone will actually change color. So I really got off on a tangent there. I was trying to talk about we need to do something every day. We need physical exercise. It's the way we're created. We need movement. So today I had an hour playing lesson. So I was actually playing a match against my student. And it was a workout. It was a workout for me because I don't play a lot. I mainly teach. So it was really nice. I really enjoyed it. And then, it might be something else. It might be high intensity exercise. You're doing sprints or walking. It may just be walking backwards, doing some body weight exercise, lifting weights. Whatever it is, aerobic, going out for a long walk, run, you have to do something every day. But the key thing that's going to allow you to do something every day is what you're using for fuel. If you're using the right fuel and it's burning efficiently, you're going to be more energized to exercise, to get up and do something. So I think that's number one, the diet. And then you need the exercise, you need the sunshine, you need good relationships with other humans and with our Creator. And until you get all of those in place, you're not going to have optimal health. So it's all part of it. And so do something every day. And I really like a quote that I heard from Dr. Colin Campbell because it's so true. I love his quotes because he shoots from the hip. He doesn't hold back. He tells it like it is. He tells the truth. And listen to this quote. Wait until you're really sick could be the motto of doctors and hospitals in the current system. We can do nothing for you until your symptoms surpass the subclinical and reveal themselves in pain, loss of function, or a particularly worrisome test result. Until then, keep calm and keep eating the standard American diet. I mean, that's so true. We are not powerless. we can fix any problem that we've brought on ourselves by the standard American diet. We can change it. We have that power within us. But you have to study the information, do the research, so you believe that this actually works, and it has worked for hundreds of thousands of people. They've reversed heart disease, diabetes, cancer, you name it. You can fix things. So, by the way, I wanted to mention I'm also coaching people now. If you're interested in personalized coaching, I have 3 different programs available. And check those out on my website, Fruit and Sport. And my phone number is there. You can text me, call me, whatever you want to do, and I will get back to you within 24 hours. So, get out, do some exercise, take control of your own health. Number 1, put the right fuel in. Number 2, exercise. Number 3, get some sunshine on your skin. Work on your personality so that you can get along better in your relationships and with God. So I wish you all the best. Please give this video a like or a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. And it's time for me to do my favorite thing of the day. And that is eat a hot fudge chocolate something. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to fruit up. And why do I love fruit so much? Because it's what we're designed for. It's sweet to the taste buds. It looks beautiful. And it nourishes your body so well. All the best, guys. Take care.